How to allow or don't allow apps making changes to Bluetooth sharing on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then we go down to the Privacy section, then tap on Bluetooth Sharing. In Bluetooth Sharing, we select Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. So select one of the options. Now when you are making a change, it will ask you to enter in a screen time passcode. So do so. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.